Good morning, first grade. Today we are going to take our week 27 spelling test. The focus skill this week is long E, spelled with the vowel team EE. So when you hear the long E sound in these words, we know that it can be spelled with EE. All right, so if you want to grab a blank spelling test paper, go ahead and practice writing your first and last name at the top, and then we will get started. Feel free to pause, as always, pause and rewind at any point in during the spelling test. All right, number one. Number one is feed. Feed. I always feed the goldfish when I get home. Feed. 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 Number one. Number two, sleep. Sleep. What time do you normally fall asleep? Sleep. 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 Okay, number three is beat. Beat. Could you please put a beet on my salad? Beet. As in the red vegetable. Beet. Eat. Beet. Number three. Okay, number four, seed. Seed. I planted a seed in the garden. Seed. 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 Number four again was seed. All right, moving on to number five. Number five is need. Need. I think I need a new pair of shoes. Need. 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 Number five. Okay, number five, one last time. Need. As in, I need a new pair of shoes. Number six. Beep. Beep. Did you hear the car beep? Beep. Beep. Did you hear the car horn beep? Number six. Okay, quickly 1 through 6, I'll repeat. Number 1 is feed. Number 2 is sleep. Number 3 is beet, as in the beet you would grow or eat. Number 4 is seed. Number 5 is need. Number 6 is beep. All right, moving on to number 7. A little bit shorter. There we go. All right, number 7 is sheep. Sheep. We saw the sheep at the farm. Sheep. 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 Number 7. Number 7, one more time. Sheep. Okay, number 8. Deep. Deep. How deep is the deep end of the pool? Deep. D-E-P. Deep. Number 8. Okay, number 9. Speed. Speed. What is the car's speed? Speed. Speed. Number 9 again, speed. Number 10, green. Move that. Number 10, green. The plants are starting to turn green. G-R-E-N. Green. green. Number 10. All right, moving on to number 11. Number 11 is speech. Speech. We listened to the president's speech. 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 Number 11. Putting all those different sounds we've learned throughout the year. Speech. Number 11 again, speech. Okay, and number 12 is street. Street. What street do you live on? Street. Street. Number 12. Okay, 7 through 12, just quickly. Number 7 is sheep. Number 8 is deep. Number 9 is speed. Number 10 is green. Number 11 is speech. And number 12 is street. All right, moving on to our high frequency words. First one, number 1 is around. Around. We walked around the park. Around. Number 1 of the high frequency words, around. Okay, number 2 high frequency word, would. Would. Would you like another drink of water? Would. Number 2. Would. Number 2, one more time, would. Number 3, how. How do you make that recipe? How. Number 3. How. Number 3, one last time, how. Moving on to number 4. Number 4 is the word new. I bought a new jacket. New. Or is that a new toy? Number 4, new, as in not old. All right, the high frequency words again, one more time. Number 1, around. Number 2, would. Number 3, how. Number 4, new. All right, moving on to the sentence. Okay, so just listen. I will read the sentence. Don't forget about starting with a capital letter, that's very good, and using the correct what at the end? Punctuation, nice job. All right, so the sentence is, meet me on the street by the sheep. So listen again, meet me on the street by the sheep. Say it one more time, meet me on the street by the sheep. Okay, so I'm going to break it up into those smaller parts. First part, meet me. Meet me. Feel free to pause while you're writing. Next part, on the street. By the sheep. Meet me on the street by the sheep. All Great. That is your sentence and that is your spelling test for this week. I think you're doing a great job. Keep up your hard work and I will talk to you later. Thanks, everyone.